Just imagine you could quit your job tomorrow and spend all your time doing exactly what you want with no one telling you what to do ever again. Maybe you choose to relax at a beach in Bali or build a business that generates millions in the coming years. I'll be discussing 7 online side hustles that generate plenty of money. Let's discuss what each one is, how to do it, and ranking them on the chart for their $1 million potential and easy to start. Side hustle idea number 1 is to become a content creator. Content creation is not just a business but a transformative journey that can lead to financial freedom. Content creation is not just about making money, it's about sharing your passion, connecting with an audience, and building a life you've always dreamed of. So, why content creation? Well, it's hands down the best business for several reasons. First and foremost, it's incredibly beginner friendly. Anyone can do it, and you don't need a hefty sum of money to get started. All you need is a passion, a niche you're interested in, and the desire to share your unique perspective with the world to become a successful content creator. The first crucial step is to pick a niche that resonates with you. Whether it's finance, fitness, lifestyle, or any other area, your passion will be the driving force behind your content. I chose to make money online, which has been a game changer for me. Once you've found your niche, start creating short-form videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. You don't have to dive into long YouTube videos right away. That can come later as you gain experience. If you're unsure about the type of content to create, take inspiration from other successful content creators in your space. Analyze what works well for them and tailor it to your unique style. It's not just about the money, although the income potential is vast and huge. As a content creator, you get to share your passion with the world, connect with like-minded individuals, and have a ton of fun. Plus, the possibilities for monetization are diverse, from promoting products and services to earning from sponsorships and ad revenue on platforms like YouTube. Before we move forward, let me quickly rank content creation on a scale from 1 to 7, with 1 being the greatest and 7 being the worst. Content creation takes the lead, securing the first spot. It's extremely beginner-friendly, requires no initial investment, and offers the opportunity to share your passion with the world. Side hustle number 2 is selling books on Amazon KDP. This store is collectively generating thousands of dollars each month, and this is not the only listing that is making that much revenue. You can create multiple books like this in a very effective way with the help of artificial intelligence. To start your successful business on Amazon KDP, you need only 2 things. First, you need to be good at researching the product. If you start with good research, there is a high chance you will succeed early. The first crucial step is research and niche selection. Take some time to explore the Amazon KDP website and familiarize yourself with the different categories and niches available. Find a niche that aligns with your interests, has a potential audience, and is not oversaturated. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create your medium content books. Selling low content books these days is not very profitable or not a good thing to start because it is so saturated. So we will go with a medium content book. It will take a little more effort but will eventually pay back as profit in the longer run. For this, let's ask ChatGPT. List 25 medium content book ideas for KDP Amazon. Once you get the result, you can go to Amazon and check how these books are performing. After identifying your topic, you can start the creation process. This you can do by yourself, but I highly recommend you outsource the whole process. Sign up to Amazon and upload your book on Amazon KDP dashboard. If you ask me to rank this KDP business out of 7, I will give 5 because it is getting more and more difficult to rank on Amazon. Our number 3 side hustle is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially a partnership between you and a company. You promote their products and in return, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of it lies in its simplicity. You're essentially recommending products you already use and enjoy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need patience and a willingness to learn. While it's a fantastic way to make money online, building trust with your audience takes time. It's important to set realistic expectations from the get-go. let's discuss the multiple ways to promote affiliate links, Pinterest.com or Medium.com. Pinterest affiliate marketing emerges as a powerful avenue combining the visual appeal of Pinterest with the earning potential of affiliate marketing. Once you choose your niche, whether it's finance, fitness, or home decor, and now you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing on Pinterest, the process is remarkably straightforward. First, identify high-paying affiliate programs through platforms like Impact.com and ClickBank.com, aligning them with your chosen niche. Once armed with your affiliate links, it's time to leverage Pinterest's visual platform to create engaging content. Post visually appealing images, whether it's fitness routines, financial tips, or home decor ideas, and seamlessly integrate your affiliate links into these posts. The magic of Pinterest lies in its shareability and discoverability. As users engage with your content, the potential for your affiliate links to reach a broader audience increases. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or a beginner seeking a visually dynamic platform, Pinterest affiliate marketing offers a unique blend of creativity and income generation, making it a compelling option in the vast landscape of online business. Medium.com. It's not just a platform for sharing stories, it's a goldmine for affiliate marketers. With a staggering 157 million monthly visitors, it's a hub for content that ranks high on Google. Imagine tapping into that massive audience. But it's not just about numbers, it's about engagement from top-tier countries. So why Medium.com? It's where your potential customers are hanging out, making it an ideal space to share your affiliate offers. The process is simple. Find your niche, create engaging content, and use Medium's platform to your advantage. It's not just about promoting products, it's about providing value that converts. You write well-crafted articles and add your affiliate links. Once someone clicks on your link and signs up or subscribes to the product, you will get your commissions. Medium.com is ideal for software-related affiliates. I recommend posting 5 to 10 articles every single day. Why? Because consistency is the key to building a solid online presence. By consistently sharing valuable content related to your niche, you attract readers genuinely interested in what you have to offer. It's like planting seeds that grow into a flourishing garden of engaged readers. I will rank affiliate marketing as number 2 because of the ease of starting your journey. You can start affiliating with your content creation, which generates extra income for you. Side hustle number 4 is Shopify Dropshipping. Shopify Dropshipping is a fantastic way to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey without dealing with inventory or shipping logistics. Here's the game plan. You'll craft a unique website using Shopify and populate it with products from trusted suppliers like AutoDS. The beauty of this model is that when a customer purchases on your site, your supplier takes care of the shipping. No need to worry about packing and mailing products yourself. It's all about leveraging the power of e-commerce without the traditional hassles. However, I want to stress the importance of focus in this business. Instead of constantly changing products, identify one high-quality item that aligns with your passion and has the potential for long-term success. Building a brand around that single product can set you up for sustainable growth. Now, let's talk about marketing. The key to success in Shopify dropshipping is creating viral content on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest. Engaging and shareable content can propel your product into the spotlight, driving traffic to your Shopify store. I recommend starting with organic content, sharing your product in a way that resonates with your audience. Once you've gained some experience, you can explore paid advertising for further reach. Remember, authenticity is crucial in building a long-term brand. I rank Shopify dropshipping as number 6 on our list because it has some cons. As you are selling physical products, you have to test some products before finding the real winning product. To start your business, you need a little investment as well. The next amazing side hustle is selling online courses. We all know the e-learning market is booming, with projections soaring over $300 billion by 2025. The most important question arises, how do you start? Step 1. Craft your winning course. Whether you're into fitness training, business, or education, there's always a market for your expertise. Choose a topic you're passionate about and that others find valuable. Need ideas? Ask your friends, family, or even your social media connections. Think about problems you've solved or unique experiences you've had. This is the foundation of your course. Once you've got your topic, create a killer course outline. Nail down the name, learning objectives, and module details. And remember, this is an investment. Take the time to research, outline, and script your content. It's the secret sauce to creating a course that stands out. Tackle the crucial task of defining your course idea. Write down insights on leveraging your existing audience to pinpoint their challenges and needs, and ensure your course is not just a product but a solution to someone's problem. Explore the importance of paying attention to social media comments and using them as valuable indicators for potential course topics. Break down the course into modules and lessons, and ensure a logical flow of information. Also, demonstrate in videos how your course is different from other courses. Keep updated on your course and encourage students to check new stuff. Create a community on your course topic. In this way, you will be able to build a loyal audience for your new products. You will gain the authority in your topic, which will open new avenues for you. I will rank creating a course on the number 4 because you put effort one time and earn for a long time. The next side hustle on our list is selling digital products. It all begins with understanding your audience. Take a close look at what your followers are engaging with, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform. Identify their challenges, needs, and frustrations. Your most popular content can be a goldmine of inspiration. After finding a solid idea, the next step is bringing it to life. Consider the format of your digital product. Is it an ebook, an online course, or maybe a set of graphical templates? I recommend starting with ebooks in PDF format, and here's why. Tools like Canva make the creation process an easy method. They offer a range of customizable templates, allowing you to design visually appealing and professional-looking ebooks. Head to Canva, search for A4 templates, choose those with multiple pages, and start customizing. It's straightforward. Add images and examples and shape your content. Now the time is to market your digital product because no one knows about the product yet. There are several routes, each with its pros and cons. Third-party platforms like Gumroad and Payhip offer convenience but come with transaction fees. Another option is having your website, giving you complete control and flexibility. In both cases, you have to drive traffic to your product. The best method to drive traffic is writing on Twitter, X, or LinkedIn if your product is educational or business related. Fitness and travel related products will be sold on Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok easily. Consider another platform as you grow and gain some sales and positive feedback from your users because you are not selling the product but selling value to someone's problem. I will rank digital products as number 3 on our list because you need no investment and very easy to start. Once you start attracting people, you will get sales for years to come. The next side hustle on the ranking list for 2024 is starting a blog. Many people believe that developing a website is a daunting task, requiring advanced technical skills. But let me assure you, it's much simpler than you think. You don't need to be a coding genius or hire a developer to have a beautiful blog. The simplest and most effective platform for this is WordPress. It's user-friendly, customizable, and widely used across the globe. The next step is choosing your blog's niche. This is a critical decision. The key here is to pick a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. Let's take the make money online niche as an example. If you're passionate about it, creating content will be enjoyable and you'll connect better with your audience. Otherwise, you will burn out in a couple of days. So always choose a niche that you enjoy talking about and you are naturally good in the field. Integrating your blog with your social handles like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube expands your reach and attracts more visitors. Social media can be monetized through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even by directing traffic to your blog. It's a dynamic way to enhance your blog's visibility and income potential. You can monetize your blog with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, guest blogging, and create and sell digital products on your blog. I will rank blog writing at number 7 because of slow growth and the long return time of your income, but once you establish yourself in your niche, you will get a stable income for a long time. These are all 7 side hustles for beginners to start in 2024 for making at least $1,000. I hope you will enjoy the video and take action. See you in the next video.